And as countries compete to grab doses of the vaccines, the world is turning to India for the vaccine supplies. India plays a vital role in the vaccine chain. India is the world's vaccine manufacturing hub. It is known as the pharmacy of the world. India supplies over 60% of the vaccines for the developing world, and the Wuhan virus pandemic will be no different. In July this year, the Government of India organized an online vaccine symposium. Peter Piot was one of the attendees. He is the director of the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. Piot said that without India, there will not be enough vaccines to save the world. The Serum Institute in India is manufacturing 1 billion doses of the Wuhan virus vaccine that's being developed by the University of Oxford and AstraZeneca. India's Serum Institute also happens to be the world's largest vaccine maker. At its full capacity, the company can make 60 to 70 million doses a month. The Serum Institute is also developing and testing 4 other Wuhan virus vaccines, including the Novavax and Codagenix candidates. There are other Indian firms that have entered into partnerships for manufacturing potential Wuhan virus vaccines. Hyderabad-based Biological E has struck a deal for the shot being developed by Johnson & Johnson's subsidiary, Belgium's Janssen Pharmaceutical. Reports say Biological E may also manufacture a candidate being developed by Houston's Baylor College of Medicine. Indian Immunologicals, again a firm based out of Hyderabad, has entered into a partnership with Australia's Griffith University. The Indian firm will be testing and manufacturing the university's vaccine candidate. Bharat Biotech has a deal to manufacture 1 billion doses of Washington University's intranasal vaccine. It also has a partnership with the University of Wisconsin-Madison and US-based firm Flugen to make almost 300 million doses of a vaccine for global distribution. Dr. Reddy's has a deal to produce 100 million doses of the Sputnik V. Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila is also working on a shot that's undergoing clinical trials. Earlier this month, India's Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla said, and I'm quoting, "Several countries have been approaching us for receiving vaccine supply. I reiterate the Prime Minister's commitment that India's vaccine production and delivery capacity will be used to help all humanity in fighting this crisis." Mr. Shringla added that India will also help the interested countries in enhancing their cold chain and storage capacities for the delivery of these vaccines. Here's something I want to quickly point out here. There is a difference between India's approach to the Wuhan virus vaccine and how the world is looking at this vaccine race. While there are countries looking at hoarding vaccines, pre-ordering at least 1 billion doses for a population of just 330 million, you have India that is not just manufacturing vaccines for its citizens, but also for the world. And in doing so, India is not looking to discriminate on the basis of global economic rankings. India exported its vaccine stock to other countries when the pandemic struck. In a visit to Dhaka in August this year, Harshvardhan Shringla promised that India would be supplying vaccines to Bangladesh on priority basis. Dhaka, in fact, signed a deal with the Serum Institute for 30 million doses of the AstraZeneca vaccine. India has stated that its closest neighbors, friends, partners and other countries will be receiving privileged access. On the 7th of August, in fact, Gavi, or the Global Vaccine Alliance, announced a collaboration with India's Serum Institute and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The deal gave the Indian company a financial support of $150 million in order to supply 100 million doses of vaccines for distribution in the low and middle income countries next year. India's Biologicals E has promised to push for equal procurement and distribution of the vaccine and stay committed to the COVAX Vaccine Alliance. According to a CEPI, or a Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovation Survey, India has the largest production capacity for drug substance, and as the world battles the deadly Wuhan virus, India is not prioritizing profit over the health of billions. It's not for nothing that India is known as the pharmacy of the world.